Hi guys, today I'm going to be talking about sex. Well, now that I have your attention, let me start talking about today's topic, that is mental health. The recent case of Sushant Singh has actually left us all really disturbed, and I think it's high time that we not only talk about mental health but we start taking steps towards it. हम रोज़ की ज़िंदगी में बहुत सारी चीज़ें करते हैं अपने फिजिकल हेल्थ के लिए, एंड मेंटल हेल्थ की बात कब आती है? When we actually are into depression, that's when we actually start acknowledging our mental health. But I don't understand कि depression तक रुकना क्यों है, क्यों हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते रोज अपने mental health के लिए. The way at which stress is increasing, the world is getting competitive out there. I think each one of us needs to adopt taking care of our mental health as a lifestyle. I think we need to start adopting it in our regular lives. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing about 3 things that I do on regular basis in my routine to take care of my mental health, and I hope it's useful for each one of you all out there. So let's start. Number 1, नहीं बात करनी. There are certain things in life which you really don't want to share or don't want to talk it out, and this is when the art of writing down your emotions actually help. This has been extremely useful for me, guys. This is a form of catharsis where you actually let out your suppressed emotions. In our routine life, there are a lot of circumstances where you are forced to do certain things. There are people you deal with whom you really don't like, and you cannot always express your emotions towards every situation. These little things might seem to not affect you, but they really affect your mental health. So all you need to do is write down, maybe weekly you write down all your emotions that you feel. You burn that paper or you flush it out. Might seem to be a little kiddish, but really try it out, guys. It really helps a lot, and even research has shown that writing is a very powerful technique. So yes, doing this activity keeps a check on your mental health and also about the things that affect you. Number 2 is my favorite activity, that is maintaining a gratitude journal. If right now I tell you to remember 5 positive things that have happened during the day, I'm sure you're going to struggle. On the other hand, remembering negative things is really convenient. A gratitude journal actually trains your mind to look at the positive things in life. All you need to do is when you hit the bed, you actually pen down or you remember 5 happy and positive things that have happened during the day. So even in the worst times and in your worst days, you train to look at the positive side of life, and one of it could be that maybe you're alive today, and this is what gratitude journal does. It actually makes you realize the simple pleasures of life and how grateful you are to have them. This activity actually takes up only 5 minutes, and I highly recommend that each one of you starts maintaining a gratitude journal. In the end, all I would say is a gratitude journal adds a happy ending to my sad day. Number 3 is learning something new or challenging your mind. A simple activity like Sudoku or crossword, doing these activities in your routine can be very distressing and also give you a sense of accomplishment. Also, learning something new. Most of us live a very monotonous life and we forget to make small changes in our routine. So I would say nothing big, but maybe small things like taking up cooking, learning a new dance form, or doing a different kind of exercise can actually be very relaxing, guys. This also offers you your me time and kind of diverts your mind. So guys, please make little changes in your routine. They can be really helpful. By learning something new, it's up to you what you feed your mind with. So research has shown that learning something new can empower your mental health. The 3 things that I have adopted to keep my mental health in check. If you think that you are really strong and happy and depression cannot hit you, mind you guys, little things actually pile on and it eventually leads to depression, and so do not ignore it. Please start doing something on a regular basis for your mental health. It's high time we start giving it priority like our physical health. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please share it with all your loved ones who you think need to listen to this. Lots and lots of love, guys. Bye.